everybody, it's Jamie here, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my all-time favourite recipes. That's easy roast lemon chicken with orzo. For two very hungry people, you'll need a medium-sized chicken, 250 grams of orzo, 2 large carrots peeled and sliced into batons, 2 medium-sized leeks washed and chopped roughly, 2 lemons, 2 garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of tarragon, a handful of peas, 2 teaspoons of chili flakes. First of all, grate the zest of your 2 lemons and mince your 2 garlic cloves. Squeeze the 2 lemons. You don't need to swirl the juice, I'm just doing this for effect. In a large oven-proof dish, heat some oil on the stove. Add the lemon zest and garlic, the tarragon, chili flakes, the salt, and give a good stir. And next you need to add your lemon juice, the leeks, carrots, and there's really no glamorous way of doing this, but plonk your chicken on top. And now you're going to delicately place those peas around the outside, no, just joking, lob them in. Add enough hot water to half fill your pot. And seal either with a lid or some foil. Place in a preheated oven about 180 degrees Celsius. Grab a glass of wine and leave to cook for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. Lift out the chicken and add the orzo. Stir the orzo, put the chicken back on top and back in the oven without a lid this time for about 15 minutes. And let me tell you, it now smells absolutely amazing. Let the dish rest for another 10 minutes, sorry about that. And time to serve. First the orzo. Add some grated parmesan. And finally the chicken, and maybe some parsley if you can be bothered. I couldn't. And there you go. Easy roast lemon chicken with orzo. It's the best, I promise you. And don't forget to subscribe to Travel Blog Jamie on YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter.